Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Infiniti Q50 faster. Full guide. Start by inspecting the air intake and replacing the air filter to improve airflow immediately. Check all intake hoses and clamps for leaks and secure fittings. Consider a high-flow intake for safe horsepower gains. Follow with tuning and bolt-on upgrades later in the guide to maximize performance and reliability while keeping everyday drivability in mind. A good ECU tune changes fuel, timing, and boost targets to unlock power while maintaining reliability and mileage. Start with a conservative off-the-shelf map if you need quick gains. Consider a custom tune after bolt-ons for optimal results. Always data log runs to verify air fuel and knock behavior. Retune for changes like intake, exhaust, or intercooler swaps to keep the engine safe and responsive on the street. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps us make more content. Quick recommendation. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfortable garage sessions and long drives. Check the description for the link and other deals where you can grab a pair. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Address hardware bottlenecks next. A larger intercooler reduces intake temperatures and limits power loss from heat soak. A freer flowing exhaust decreases back pressure and sharpens throttle response. Fresh spark plugs and strong ignition prevent misfires under higher boost. Combine these with intake and tune changes for balanced gains. Keep cooling and oil systems in check to protect components during extended spirited driving sessions on track or canyon roads.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.